Believe me when I say professional photographers are in trouble. I was able to achieve all the stunning photo shoot images with 100% free AI tools in few minutes. No blurriness, no card require, just 100% free AI tools. And if you watch this video till the very end, I'll show you 3 different platforms that will help you achieve this, and also the best prompts that will not mess up your image but will rather maintain your beauty. If you are new here, consider subscribing because massive value awaits you. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. You are my real MVP. Now, let's dive in. The very first thing you need is a portrait picture of yourself, a portrait photograph of yourself that looks like this, where you're facing the camera, and most importantly, where you look natural so that it can preserve your look-alike very well.
Now head on to Google and type in the word Pinterest. Click on the very first option. In the search bar, type in Photoshoots ideas, and you're going to see tons of amazing photoshoots ideas that you can pick from. Scroll down and look for the one that catches your fancy. Once you see it, click on it, then locate and click on these 3 dots at the top of the image and click on download image. And this will download onto your device, either you're using a laptop or a smartphone. You can also use the Pinterest app. Also, you can type in corporate photo shoot ideas and you see tons of corporate photo shoot ideas that you can replicate. Once you click on any one of them, just click on the 3 dots and download it. You can also type in birthday photo shoot ideas and you see amazing birthday photo shoots that you can also replicate. The last but not the least is vacation photo shoot ideas. Once you type it here, you're going to see tons of vacation inspiration photo shoot ideas that you can replicate without taking a flight to any vacation. So once you find the one you like, just click on it and download it. The next thing on our bucket list now is to take any of these inspired images to a platform that would help us get the prompt out and then we can replicate it.
The amazing platform we're going to be using is Grok.com. Go to Google and type in Grok.com. You can also use ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude to achieve the exact same result. Come to the top left corner and click on Chat. Click on Attach and upload the image you would like to replicate. Once it's uploaded, input my prompt. You're going to find my detailed prompt in the video description. So paste in the prompt and then click on enter. This prompt will give you the full description of the image without the face of the person. This would help you maintain your own face and your likeness, I mean your look-alike. I'll advise you to copy the prompt and take it to your notepad, paste it there, and go through the prompt. If there's anything you would like to change from the prompt, do well to change it. Now, add this generated prompt to my second prompt that would help you maintain your face. Okay, add everything together, copy it, and then bring it back to Grok. Now, click on Imagine and click on attach. Now upload your own image, the image of your face where you're looking natural. So just click on it and upload your image and now paste the entire prompt into Grok and click on generate. In few seconds, your image should be ready. And guys, this is what we have. Isn't this lovely? This is beautiful. I can give it to Grok that it actually did a good job. This is the image I tried to replicate, and this is what it gave me. You can see that it is not perfect, but it gave me something exceptional. Except for the hairstyle that it did not change. Now I can put in the chat box that change our hairstyle to bone straight or something. And before you know it, it changes the hairstyle, and this is lovely. This is really, really lovely. To my right hand side is the image of the person, and let me know in the comment section Did Grok do justice to this? Does this image still retains the person's face? Now we're going to be using another platform to test this out, which is Flow AI. I bet you never knew that you could do this on Flow as well. Just go to Google and search for Flow AI and click on the very first button, the very first option, and now click on Create with Flow. Image generation on Flow is 100% free, so you get to do this without issue. Now click on New Project. It will come here, click on the plus sign. At the top right corner, click on the plus sign again. Go to your device and select your own image. Remember the prompt, the entire prompt we used the first time. That is exactly what we're going to use again here without any edit. You're just going to paste it and come to the bottom right corner. Make sure you are on image generation, select one or two, select nano banana 2, then click on enter. Image generation is 0 credits. Guys, this is what we have. This is beautiful. So to the left hand side is the inspiration. At the middle is what Flow generated, and to the right hand side is the image of the person. Now click on download at the top right corner and download this in 2K. Downloading in 2K does not cost any extra credit. It is absolutely free. Now go to Google and search for Ideogram. Click on the very first option, sign up using your Gmail or any email of your choice, and you should find yourself here. This is what the user interface look like. At the left hand side, click on character. Once you click on character, it's open up this dialog box. Now click on the middle section that says upload, and you upload the image of yourself. Now click on that place to expand this. Tap on the image and click on the edit image option. Now you see that there's this red thing there. Click on this icon right here and also highlight the hair so that it can change the hairstyle to the hairstyle of your image prompt. Okay, once you can click on the erase icon and erase it if you made a mistake. Just make sure only your face is showing. Now click on the save button at the top right corner and it will save that. Now paste in your prompt and click on enter. And guys, this is what we have. And I can say that this platform compared to Grok or Flow, it didn't really do well. It's not bad, but I think Flow and Grok did a better job than this one, and it generates 4 images for each of the prompts that you have. It's not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. But I did not change anything from the prompt, and this is what it gave me. Click on this download button at the top right corner and download in the very first option. That's the only option available to you. Now let's go back to Grok to generate another set of images. To repeat the process, we'll go back to Grok again, go to the chat section, upload our Pinterest inspiration, and then paste in my unique prompt. You'll find it in the video description. This prompt also include the hairstyle, except the face. So you're going to have this. Once that is generated, copy it and paste it on your notepad like we always do, and delete all the unwanted places there, and also change the outfit color or change whatever you would like to change. Whatever you would like to change, just change it. Add my second prompt to it, which is the prompt that helps you maintain your face. Combine everything together in your notepad and copy it. Come back to Grok and click on Imagine. Now upload the image that has your face on it and then paste the entire prompt right there. Now click on the enter button, and this is what we have. This is amazing. Grok did a fantastic job in maintaining the face and also maintaining the prompts. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. As you can see, the inspiration is on the left, Grok generation at the middle, and the original picture of the person is at the right hand side. Let me know in the comment section if this did well. You can further edit this, add more makeup, change the color of the hairstyle, whatever you like, you do. Head back to Flow, click on the plus sign, select the image, paste the prompt because it's already on our clipboard, and click on enter. All settings are still intact. So I'll just click on enter, and this is what Flow generated for us. This is fantastic. Like, fantastic. Both images are amazing. Now let's put it beside one another for you to see, and tell me in the comment section if Flow did justice to this. At the left hand side is the inspiration, at the middle is what Flow generated, and at the right hand side is the image of the person. Click on download at the top right corner and download this in 2K to have a high quality. Now let's go back to Ideogram to repeat the same process. So I'm not going to bore you. I'm just going to upload the image and use the exact image that is still in the timeline, and just change the prompt. I'm just going to paste the prompt and click on enter. And this is what we have from Ideogram. I'm sure you're going to agree with me that Grok and Flow beats Ideogram hands down. Yes. But let me know your opinion in the comment section. Which platform does it better? Is it Grok, Flow, or Ideogram? Let me know in the comment section. I repeated the process again, and that was how I was able to generate this, this, and this image, and all the images that you've seen at the beginning and towards the end of this video. But because I am generous, I am going to give you another bonus platform, because as at the time of editing this video, Grok is no longer free. So let me just show you another platform that would help you achieve similar results for free. And the bonus platform we're going to be looking at is Google AI Studio. Come to Google and type the word Google AI Studio. Come here and click on the second one. Scroll down. This is sponsored. So scroll down, click on this one. This aistudio.google.com. It will bring you here. Now agree to the terms of use. I don't want to receive mails from them, so I'm just going to deselect this and click on continue. And this is what we have. Make sure you're on Playground. If you're on Playground, you see this. Click on image generation, and you see that Nano Banana 2 is paid here. Nano Banana Pro is also paid, but the Nano Banana is still working. So you can just click on Nano Banana and you'll be able to use this for free. Now click on this plus sign right here. Upload your own image. Now click on acknowledge. Now paste in the prompt that contains everything you need from A to Z while maintaining the face, complexion, and stature of the attached image. Generate a studio quality photo using the prompt below, and you add the prompt to it. Now click on run, and then we'll wait for Google AI Studio to perform its magic, or should I say Nano Banana. Just hold on for some minutes, and before you know it, your image will be ready. And guys, this is what we have. Look at that, look at that, look at that. So to the left hand side is the inspiration, at the middle is what Nano Banana generated for us, and to the right hand side is the image of the person. So let me know, did Nano Banana do well? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section.
Now you have so many platforms to play with. Imagine how much you can earn offering these services to people at a particular fee.
Congratulations! You are few of the people who made it till the very end. Now let me know in the comment section which of the platform does it better for you. I'll be in the comment section responding to all questions and inquiry you have about this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, why? Subscription is 100% free. Join the family today so that you can get notified immediately I upload an amazing video like this one. Before you go, do well to check out some of my previous videos and you will not be disappointed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.